What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Pepe, which has been taking over the crypto market over the last couple of days. As you can see, in the last 24 hours it is down 17%. So what we're going to be going through is looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Should you wait for it to drop further? Is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up anytime soon? And also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and also going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, and potentially not really the long term, because this crypto hasn't been around for that long, so there is not much data on the crypto for me to do the long term prediction. And even if I do, it's not going to be realistic. So as you guys know, I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information, so we are going to stick to a short term trade. But obviously, if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated at least about 4 or 5 times a week on this crypto. But before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down over 2% in the last 24 hours, and so is Pepe as well. As you can see, in the last hour it has dropped just about half a percentage. Over the last day, 17% down. Over the week, 25% has been down quite a bit over the last 7 days, and over the month, as you can see, still 25%, because on Coinbase it was launched on the 5th of May, which was just about 3 days ago. So going onto the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 20%. However, the trading volume is $937 million, guys, making it nearly hitting $1 billion in trading. And that is a huge amount, especially that this crypto was only launched a couple of days ago to a week. So again, this hasn't been around for that long, and it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. And again, the marketing on this crypto has been very good, that as you can see, a lot of people have been trading the crypto. But because it's dropped so much, it's not really a good sign. Most people are holding on to it right now. They're not buying more, they're not selling it, they're literally just holding on to it. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple, 0. Whatever, how many zeros there, 251. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here at 0.000227, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. But again, this drop only happened over the last, let's say, 12 hours approximately. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart, and then I'll move on to the hourly chart, and maybe looking at the daily chart as well, depending on what we can see, but we'll get into that shortly. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning over the next 12 to 14 hours, let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect Pepe to go through a slight increase in value. Nothing too crazy, nothing major, guys. It is going to be a minimal increase, potentially just about hitting the MACD indicator here, ending in 235. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles from this point onwards. Of course not. It's likely to hit red candles in between, take little dips and breaks in between. But again, the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So guys, do expect an overall increase in value from Pepe over the next 12 to 14 hours. But again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Not looking too great. Clearly, the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line, meaning more drops in value are expected from Pepe over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting it to go through an overall drop in value. And again, as I mentioned earlier on in the previous chart, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles. There's going to be little peaks here and there in between, but the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Pepe over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week and early next week as well. But again guys, it's cryptocurrency, it's a very volatile market, anything can happen. If Pepe go for a partnership or a collaboration or whatever it is, it can have a potential positive or negative impact on the crypto. Either way, I will try and make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And again, moving on to the daily chart, as you can see, there is no MACD indicator, meaning we won't be able to do the long-term prediction. And to me, that makes perfect sense, only because there is not much data on the crypto. For me to do the long-term prediction, it doesn't make sense because there's not much historical data for us to do the long-term predictions on. So we're going to have to stick to the short-term prediction. But if you guys do want regular updates on Pepe, comment down below and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, go back to the hourly chart, and we are going to draw this Fibonacci scale to see where we are at the moment, where we could end up over the next couple of days as well. So as you can see, we are currently in the middle bit. We're not in the red zone, we're not in the lowest part, we're not in the highest part, we are somewhere in the middle. As you can see, just about hitting the resistance target here. We should be able to hit up a little bit to this dark blue sign level here over the next couple of hours, and towards the end of this week and early next week, I'm expecting us to drop down here to the dark green zone and potentially dropping down to the red zone. Anything can happen, but again, I'm gonna have to keep analyzing the crypto, keep doing my research and keeping you guys updated as well. So if you guys want regular updates, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Pepe. No potential pump is expected as of yet, but if there is, I will make sure to keep you guys updated and let you guys as soon as I can. Comment down below, what are you guys doing with Pepe? Are you guys buying it? Are you guys selling it? Or are you guys just holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below guys, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys, as a lot of people are sending me DMs to cover different cryptos. Pepe was also one of them. That is why I'm doing it. If you guys have any other suggestions, comment them down below or send me a DM on Instagram as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.